that way. Oh, this is a bad idea. I'm just going to have to find this. Keep applying power. Oh, that is bad. That's really bad. Hopefully it's a bit better now. We'll go on the high road, I think, with a bit of grip. Christ, that looks bad. I can see what the car looks like now. Good girl. Subi just paid for itself. That's all-wheel drive. Power to all the wheels so I can grip. Which is critically important in situations like that. That's why I have an all-wheel drive. Two-wheel drive would really fuck up on that. So what we do here, go to the side that's got stones, and drive. Okay, this is going to be fun. Just got to get to the bottom. Just got to get to the bottom. Alright, not going sideways just yet. Easy does it. Easy does it.